Given f of x equals 2 of x minus 5 over x squared plus natural log of 7, which of the following is equal to the derivative of x? F prime of x. Okay, so since these are all separated by adding or subtracting, it's basically like find these three separate derivatives. So I'm going to start with natural log of 7 because that's a constant, which when you take the derivative of a constant, it goes to 0. So don't even have to worry about that. So now we have to worry about, I'll do 2 to the x. So derivative of x with respect to x of 2 to the x. So you can either memorize this or work it out every time. If you work it out like 3 or 4 times, you'll just memorize it. It'd be difficult not to. So the idea here is we'll do an e to the natural log of 2 to the x, which we can then rewrite as e to the x times natural log of 2. Yep. Which will then take the derivative of this. Derivative of x, e to the x, natural log of 2. So this is going to be the chain rule. So we'll do the derivative of e to the x, e to the x. So this will be e to the x, natural log of 2. And then we'll multiply by the derivative of the interior, which is x ln of 2, which will be natural log of 2. It's the chain rule. So then we will rewrite this again as e to the natural log of 2 to the x times natural log of 2. This cancels, and we're left with natural log of 2 times 2 to the x. And so right here, derivative with respect to x of 2 to the x equals natural log of 2 times 2 to the x. That's that portion right there. All right, and then the next one is negative 5 over x squared. Change colors. Ooh, I don't like that green. No, I'll do with the forest green. All right, so take the derivative with respect to x equals, let's see, negative 5 x to the negative 2 derivative. Do the power rule, which will give us negative 2 times negative 5 times x to the negative 3, which is 10 over x cubed. So when we combine everything, and then we have 0, we should have 2 to the x. Okay, so not these. 1, 2, 3, natural log of 2. And then 10 over x cubed. This one, not that one, not that one. So this right here would be our answer. Whoop, clean everything up. Go to red. And accentuate. There we go. 2 to the x ln of 2 plus 10 over x cubed. And that is how you would solve this derivative. The tough one here, again, is 2 to the x, which you can either solve using e to the natural log, which you then rearrange and use log rules, or you can just remember that, all right, you're going to take the natural log of whatever your base is. And that is how you solve that derivative.